Blender crash course. I'm super excited to take you through some of the essentials today, like how to navigate around, understand the UI, and get comfortable with the basic controls. Whether you are totally new to Blender or just need a quick refresher, this will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, let's talk about the Blender interface. When you open Blender, you are greeted with this big 3D viewport. There is where all the magic happens, okay? This is where you will spend the most of your time, whether you are modeling, animating, or just basic sculpting, just exploring your project, okay? Now, over to the left, you have got your toolbar over there, where all your tools live, things like move, yeah, things like move, rotate, and scale, and all the basics for shaping your 3D world. Across the top, you will see the header with your file, yeah, here, over there, with your file, edit, render, and window tab, and many more. Then there is the timeline at the bottom, super useful if you are into animation. And to the right, we have the properties panel, yeah, there, where you will tweak settings for objects, materials, lights, you name it, okay? Okay, now let's talk about to move around your scene. You know, sometimes you just want to look at things from a different angle, right? So to rotate around your view, just hold down your middle mouse button and drag. It's easy peasy, okay? Want to move your view up, down, left or right? Hold shift plus middle mouse, yeah, shift plus middle mouse, yeah, and you can pan around. Zooming in and out is simple too. Just use your scroll wheel, or if you want a bit more control, hold control plus middle mouse button. It's all about feeling comfortable with those controls, yeah, like that. The more you practice, the easier it will get. Alright, let's dive into some basic object controls, because this is where you will start doing the fun stuff, okay? Want to select something? Just right click on it. Super simple. To move an object around, you need to hold down your, you need to press G on your keyboard, yeah, just grab it and move it wherever you want. To make it bigger, hit X on your keyboard, yeah, like that, yeah. If you want to cancel the last command, you need to click right button of your mouse, yeah, like that. You can hold this down to and move your mouse to adjust how much you want it to change. And if you mess up, no worries, just press Ctrl Z to undo. We have all been there. Now let's talk about unwrapping. I know it sounds a bit technical, but stick with me. Unwrapping is super important for texturing your models. Here is what to do. Switch to edit mode. So the hotkeys for go to the edit mode is tab, yeah, just press tab on your keyboard, then select your object, yeah, it looks like it's already selected, so you can deselect it by click somewhere on the 3D viewport, yeah, it's deselected. So if you want to, yeah, you can see there are 3 selection options. First one is vertex, then a selection, then face. So the hotkeys for them 1 2 3, 1 for vertex, 2 for edge, 3 for face. So we are in the face selection mode. Just press A on your keyboard for all selection, yeah. Then if you want to unwrap this object, you can press U on your keyboard, yeah, like that. So you can see those options. At first there is unwrap, then after that Smart UV project. You can choose in between options for basic quick unwrap, yeah. Depending on what fits your model, it's a bit like peeling an orange and flattening it out, but in 3D, okay? And that's the wrap, yeah, that's the wrap. Oh, yeah, that's the wrap. We just did Smart UV project. You have now got the basics down, Blender navigation, controls and unwrapping. I hope this was helpful. If you have got any questions or need me to dive deeper into something, just drop a comment below. don't forget to don't forget to appreciate me if you enjoyed the video. Okay, if you want more Blender tips and tricks, then follow me. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.